Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel NK Education Club. Today I am going to discuss some basic English sentences for daily use. So let's begin start. अंधा है क्या? दिखाई नहीं देता? Are you blind? Can't you see? Are you blind? Can't you see? क्या हुआ? क्या कहा उसने? What happened? What did he say? What happened? What did he say? इसके दिमाग में कुछ है. There is something in his mind. There is something in his mind. ये आप क्या कह रही हैं? What's this you are saying? What's this you are saying? यह तो सचमुच अच्छी खबर है. This is indeed good news. This is indeed good news. हम भी लाचार हैं. We too are helpless. We too are helpless. तुम हमेशा यही कहते हो. That's what you always say. That's what you always say. यह तो रोज की बात है. It is everyday occurrence. It is everyday occurrence. उसके इरादे सही नहीं हैं. His intentions are not good. His intentions are not good. दादी जी कुछ बहरी हैं. Granny is little deaf. Granny is little deaf. वह एक नंबर का बेवकूफ़ है. He is stupid of first order. He is stupid of first order. मेरा ऐसा इरादा नहीं था. Such was not my intention at all. Such was not my intention at all. बाकी सब ठीक है. Rest everything is fine. Rest everything is fine. मैं दुविधा में हूँ. I am in dilemma. I am in dilemma. यह ट्रीट मेरी तरफ से है. This treat is on me. This treat is on me. वह सफलता के नशे में चूर है. He is drunk with success. He is drunk with success. दादाजी कुछ ऊंचा सुनते हैं. Grandfather is hard of hearing. Grandfather is hard of hearing. आगे रोड कैसी है? How is road ahead? How is road ahead? आज तुम इतने लेट क्यों हो? Why are you so late today? Why are you so late today? तुम अपने बारे में बिल्कुल लापरवाह हो. You are quite careless about yourself. You are quite careless about yourself. सड़क मरम्मत के लिए बंद है. The road is closed for repairing. The road is closed for repairing. क्या खाने के लिए और कुछ अच्छा नहीं है? Isn't there anything better to eat? Isn't there anything better to eat? क्या बात है? What's the matter? What's the matter? क्या मेरा सपना सच होगा? Will my dream come true? Will my dream come true? तुम्हें उससे क्या लेना देना है? How does that matter to you? How does that matter to you? अच्छा है मेरी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है. It's good that I don't have any girlfriend. It's good that I don't have any girlfriend. क्या कहा उन्होंने? What did they say? What did they say? तुम कहीं भी छुप जाओ. You may hide anywhere. You may hide anywhere. लेकिन मैं तुझे ढूंढ लूँगा. But I'll find you. But I'll find you. मेरा अब मूड नहीं है. I'm not in the mood anymore. I'm not in the mood anymore. मैं ये यूं ही पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking this without any reason. I am asking this without any reason. चिंता मत करो, ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. इसीलिए तो मैं यह बोल रहा हूँ. That's why I am speaking this. That's why I am speaking this. वह कोई ऐरा गैरा नहीं है. He is not Dick and Harry. He is not Dick and Harry. कम से कम तुम मुझे बता तो सकते थे. At least you could tell me. At least you could tell me. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसमें 5 मिनट लगेंगे. At the most it will take 5 minutes. At the most it will take 5 minutes. क्या कोई ख़ास बात है? Is there anything special? Is there anything special? कोई ख़ास बात नहीं है. There is nothing special. There is nothing special. इसमें मेरा क्या कसूर है? What is my fault in it? What is my fault in it? हम लोग कोचिंग जा रहे हैं. We are going to coaching. We are going to coaching. जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to go. There is no need to go. इसमें रोने वाली क्या बात है? What's there to cry? What's there to cry? मैं जुबान का पक्का हूँ. I am a person of words. I am a person of words. क्या तुम्हारे पास मोबाइल है? Do you have a mobile? Do you have a mobile? मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking you something. I am asking you something. उसने मेरी नाक में दम कर रखा है. He has got on my nerves. He has got on my nerves. आपका हमारी बातों से क्या संबंध? How are you concerned with our affairs? How are you concerned with our affairs? मैं तुम्हारी सूरत नहीं देखना चाहता. I don't want to see your face. I don't want to see your face. यह सब तुम्हारे कारण हुआ है. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. तुम इससे बच नहीं सकते. You can't escape from this. You can't escape from this. तुम्हें कभी माफ़ नहीं किया जा सकता. You can never be forgiven. You can never be forgiven. मैं हूँ जो हूँ. I am who I am. I am who I am. मुँह मत बनाओ. Don't make faces. Don't make faces. हमें किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं है. We lack nothing. We lack nothing. यह मुफ्त का है. It's for free. इट्स फॉर फ्री। जल्दी कीजिए, मेक इट क्विक, मेक इट क्विक। इसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो, यू आर रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर, यू आर responsible for this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel NK Education Club.